In today's video, I will show you how to see your Google account password in two simple steps. But don't miss the last step is the most important one. Step 1, open up your Google app and tap your profile picture. Tap on manage your Google account and select security and sign in. Scroll down to the end and tap on password manager. And scroll down a little bit and you're going to see your Google password. This is my Google password here. I'm going to tap on it and verify, and these are all my Google account passwords stored here. Step 2, go back and go to your home app again. Go to your main device settings and scroll down to Google service, or just tap on Google. Tap on all service and scroll down to autofill with Google. Tap on password and you're going to go to the same settings and tap on your Google password, and these are all my Google password again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.